Hey guys, today I am doing my video review on this 1800 watt blow dryer. It comes with this diffuser, it comes with an extra one, and then it also comes with this bigger diffuser for curly hair where you can get right at the root with these. So I have it plugged in, but I do want to show you it has a cool setting. Actually, the cool setting's back here. A cool shot setting. This is where the fan blows, and then the high heat. It has two different levels. I'll go ahead and turn it on for you. It's actually pretty strong. This is a lower one. Higher one is really This is the options right here: off, fan, and then it has the cool shot. And if you look at it, it reminds you of another blow dryer that is on the higher end. This one retails for around $50. I will leave the link below where you could purchase it, and I'll have more information in the description bar. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.